I was sitting on the street, lying on the cardboard, totally depressed. In the UK, London, I had just £1. No way to take tube with a bus, to eat, to drink, anything, no way. First, he was sitting a bit far from me, but in front of the same building. He was drinking beer, then coming to me. Do you sleep here? Are you homeless? I said, yes. You also? Then he said, yes. Do you want a beer? I said, sure, thank you. The guy said, where are you from? Japan. And you? From UK? I'm from Scotland. Well, can I sleep beside you tonight? This place looks very nice. Yes, why not? Okay, nice. You want more beer? Yeah, but I don't have money actually. It's okay, I'll buy. You sure? Yes. You know where can I buy? Yes, in the internet cafe, you go right and turn left on the next street. They are open 24 hours. Okay, I'm back in a minute. His name is Tommy. He was looking for a job. He speaks really Scottish English. Sometimes I could not hear precisely what he was speaking. He seemed over 40 years old, might be almost 50. We were sleeping in the center of London. We were drinking together and talked a lot. Drinking was not to be crazy. Drinking was to sleep. It was already beginning of the winter. It's very, very cold, fucking cold. Especially the morning. I could not sleep. Yeah. We could not sleep in. We could not fall in sleep without drunk. Before he came, I also tried to fall in sleep, but did not make it. That's why shaking and thinking too much and depressed. Slowly, he started to talk about his story. Actually, he had a job beforehand. He had even a Suzuki 4WD. He said, Japanese car is very well. My car had not broken at all for a long time. However, he was cut off from the company. I'm not sure why. I hesitate to ask that. Somehow, he lost everything. He was gotten out his house because he could not pay the rent anymore. Then he decided to come to London to look for a job. Tommy said, I paid £100 for a ticket from Scotland to London. £100? I can go to Warsaw with £100. How expensive? But he could not get any job, and just been in London nearly 1 month as homeless. He explained that no company employs a person who has no home, but the home is extremely expensive here. Look at this apartment. I think millions of pounds per month. Because here is really center of London. No way. Now, he is given some money from the government. But the amount is just for eating, not enough to rent the flat. So it seems he has no way to get out of his situation. I said, it is getting colder in winter. You don't have kind of shelter for the homeless? He replied, there is. I went there once, but it was not good. So many people there are addicted to the drug, the alcohol. It's crazy. I did not know anything about the situation of homeless in London. I simply asked some questions to him, and he answered that they have so many homeless. Some of have been there as homeless over 10 years. How it is hard. And most of them are alcoholics. I have been seeing so many homelessness, even in Japan. Some of them seemed problem with their mind, psychologically, or some of them smelled bad. Yeah, like smell of the alcohols. Yeah. Sometimes I had felt scary and wanted to exclude them from our society. But now I understand why they were such extraordinary problems. When I was lying on the bench and cardboard, I was feeling really stuck. I had no hope to escape. When Tommy was coming close to and talked to me, a plenty of my memories were circling. When I was seeing people walking on the street from the cardboard bench when I was lying down, I was feeling, wow, how much money those people have, how happy it is. Even when I see very young people, children. When we go to fall asleep, he pointed at the camera above us and said that they can watch us. We should take care of our behavior, otherwise they are coming and exclude us. So we should not be around. And he showed me to wrap his body with his black sleeping bag to hide himself from the camera. Some people might say the cause to become homeless is because of the lack of effort of each homelessness. Homelessness don't try to work. They hesitate to work very hard job. I also once asked Tommy, have you thought about to work a simple job like a waiter to get some money? He said, just no, I don't like. I could not ask anymore. I really understand his feeling. The reason I escaped Japan is totally same. No, I don't like. Even somehow I had a job to earn enough money to live. We are not machines.